Millimeter Wave Radar Training Bench. This specific training bench is developed based on Intelligent Connected Vehicle Technology Specialization Program. The training bench consists of 77 GHz and 24 GHz millimeter wave radars, computing banks, touchscreen and so on, equipped with 5 kinds of mainstream millimeter wave radars anatomical display modules. It provides the perfect support for the learning and practice of millimeter wave radar. The training bench adopts sheet metal bending and low temperature welding technology. The surface uses a high-temperature electrostatic spraying process with anti-corrosion and rust prevention features. Solid wood board is installed on the desktop with excellent environmental protection, insulation, and practical performance. This training bench is equipped with 2 detection panels. Can let the students understand the circuit structure and conduct fault detection practical training. Logged in the millimeter wave sensor training bench teaching software. In the cognitive section, students can learn about the working principle of the main sensors and their internal construction diagram, combined with specific practical applications, further help students to have a deeper understanding of the sensor. In the assembly and debugging section, students can learn about the disassembly, debugging, and calibration operations of millimeter wave radar. Hands-on disassembly of the sensor interface under the guidance of the disassembly video. After the hardware interface is fully installed, the radar needs to be debugged. After setting the corresponding parameters, click on Settings to see a visual graph of the detection data. Click on the Data Parse button. You can see the specific message details of the millimeter wave radar detection data and the corresponding post-parse data. After debugging is complete, students need to measure the distance to the target object and record the data. Calibrate the millimeter wave radar after filling in the data in the calibration interface. Troubleshooting section conducts practical training for the common faults of the sensors, divided into 2 types: practical training mode and assessment mode. The practical training mode is used for daily teaching. Teachers can directly set up circuit faults on the corresponding circuits. Students can be asked to troubleshoot. In the assessment mode, teachers can create a set of test papers. After the test paper has been created, click to start the exam. This allows students to self-diagnose and then use a phone app to answer questions. The application section fully simulates the common auxiliary driving function during vehicle driving, according to the real-time monitoring data of 77 GHz millimeter wave radar and 24 GHz millimeter wave radar to simulate the effects of driver assistance systems. Students are able to perform automatic emergency braking, lane change assistance, and testing of blind zone warning functions.